Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. As you all know, the CSAP counseling data is already out for the round 1. And what we're going to show you now is how the round 1 behaved this year versus last year. And this time around, we already done a series for NITs. What we're going to cover is triple ITs. And we'll also focus on a specific branch, which is EC and AAA, because we've just finished one on CSE and allied branches also, by the way, for NITs and triple ITs. NITs we've done EC and AAA also, and right now what I'm going to cover is all the EC and AAA branches being offered at triple ITs. What was the cutoff last year into 2025 after round 1 in CSAP versus what the cutoff is in 2026 round 1. Remember, about 14,500 seats moved to CSAP, which is Central Seat Allocation Board. So getting into IITs, please go through that route because that is JOSA. But after round 5 of JOSA counseling, everything is moved to CSAP counseling. This time a massive number of 14,500 seats are being allotted through the Central Seat Allocation Board, which is CSAP counseling. So we're going to talk of that, and we'll talk of EC and AAA across triple ITs. Now, a lot of students also reach out to us saying that they're not happy with the kind of branch or college of their choice that they're getting. So are there other options that are there? Are there any other option that they should be considering? So what we did was we opened a helpline. The number is 8130-37634. Send us the message apply, right, on this number, and one of our counselors who understands private universities will call you. If you want to get into any of the foreign universities setting up campus in India, send us a message foreign on the same number, and one of our counselors will call you up. And do subscribe to BTech 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves in a very objective way through data. And this is not a one-off, it's a series that we're doing. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and ranked in the top 3% globally based on the World Universities rankings. Now let me take you through the triple IT for EC and AAA. What are we doing here? We're comparing 2026 round 1 versus 2025 round 1 for EC and AAA branches across all the triple ITs. Let's be very clear of that, right? The first one is triple IT Allahabad. BTech EC last year was 9,229, was the highest closing rank after round 1 of CSAP counseling. This time it's 9,503. Then you have Atal Bihari Vajpayee Triple IT Management Gwalior, BTech EEE, 20,613 last year. It is 21,217 in the current year. Pandit Dwarka Prasad Mishra Triple IT Design and Manufacture Jabalpur, BTech EC again, 20,409 last year, 22,384 current year. Then you have Triple IT Design and Manufacturing Kanchipuram, BTech EC, 28,896 last year versus 30,732 in the current year. This is the highest closing after round 1 CSAP counseling in the open category All India. Triple IT Pune BTech EC 36,626 last year versus 33,047 in the current year. Triple IT Sri City Chittoor BTech EC 36,190 last year versus 33,307 in the current year. Triple IT Pune BTech Microelectronics and Real Estate Design 38,876 in the current year. Triple IT Guwahati BTech Electronics Communication and AI 43,770 in the current year. Which means last year this program might not have been there at all, or the data was not there. Triple IT Nagpur BTech EC 47,842 last year. This year it's 44,588. Is the highest closing cutoff after round 1 CSAP counseling. Triple IT Kota Rajasthan BTech EC 44,020 last year, 44,804 in the current year. Triple IT Guwahati last year was 41,595. This year it's 45,650 for BTech ECE. Triple IT Nagpur BTech EC Internet of Things 46,131 last year, 47,188 in the current year. Triple IT Trichy BTech EC 51,401 last year versus 47,300 in the current year. Triple IT Surat BTech EC 49,551 last year versus 47,487 in the current year. Triple IT Trichy BTech EC VLSA Design 50,956 last year versus 49,986 in the current year. Triple IT Kottayam BTech EC 49,907 last year versus 51,245 in the current year. Triple IT Una Himachal Pradesh BTech EC 52,278 last year versus 51,594 in the current year. Highest closing rank CSAP counseling. Triple IT Vadodara Gujarat 49,971 for BTech EC last year versus 56,626. This really eased off by about 15%. That's strange, or more than 12%. Triple IT Bhopal BTech EC 50,275 last year. Again, here also it's eased off 58,378. It's a dramatic ease off that happened. So the competition is far lesser in these Triple IT Vadodara and Bhopal as compared to many others. Triple IT Design and Manufacturing Kurnool Andhra Pradesh BTech EC with specialization in Design and Manufacturing 53,541 last year versus 59,473 in the current year. Triple IT Dharwad BTech EC 58,626 last year versus 62,456 in the current year. IIIT Ranchi BTech Honors EC with specialization in embedded systems and Internet of Things. 59,115 last year versus 66,128 in the current year. IIIT Ranchi BTech AC 60,607 last year versus 67,036 in the current year. IIIT Vadodara International Campus DO BTech EC 63,384 last year versus 69,804 in the current year. IIIT Kalyani West Bengal BTech EC 62,684 last year versus 70,426 in the current year. IIIT Bhagalpur BTech EC 63,424 last year versus 73,575 in the current year. IIIT Senapati Manipur BTech EC 1,05,204 last year versus 1,18,704 in the current year. IIIT Senapati Manipur BTech EC with specialization in VLSI design 1,15,365 last year versus 1,36,702 in the current year. Right. So that's what we did. What we did was we covered whatever we could as far as IIIT is concerned for EC and EEE branches. We've already done the same thing for NITs, for CSE, for IIIT CSE also we've done that. Now what we covered is EC and all. Remember, all this is for the CSAP counseling. The round 1 cutoffs are around. And what you have is about 14,500 seats across NITs, GFTS and IIITs. Now, a lot of students have reached out saying that they need more help in identifying other prospective colleges. So for that, if you want the counseling, send us a message on this number 8130376334. Send us a message apply and one of my counselors will call you up. If you want to get into any of the foreign universities setting up campus in India, send us a message foreign on the same number 8130376334 and one of my counselors will call you up. Do subscribe to BTech 360 because we're creating a lot of content and information to help students out. And it's very important for us to work with you to ensure that you get into the right college of your choice. And this is a series. It's not a one-off for me. It's a series that we're doing. And if you're still looking for more information or anything, this is the channel to follow, which is BTech 360. And this, as I told you, it's not a one-off. This is a series that we're doing. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on the World Universities rankings. And if you want me to cover anything else, please feel free to write to me in the message box here. I'll cover that for you. Thank you so much. Namaste.